My name's Gary Howard and I oversee the voluntary management of the Heart Morass Restoration Project. So I look after volunteers, and also part of that is that we run a monthly water watch program. We have 11 sites on the property that we monitor. We wanted to improve the property for water birds. The one thing that we do know is you get the habitat right and the water birds come. Once a month we have a crew that come down here. It's a bit of a social day, I must admit. We monitor for salinity, the pH level, turbidity and dissolved oxygen. All the data is then fed back to the Catchment Management Authority every month. The demands on water in Gippsland are at the extreme at the moment, whether it be for domestic water, for agriculture, for industry and for the environment, and we're all clamouring for a bit. So every bit that we've got to use it wisely.